Let's now see how a refund works in a secured advance. On the left is the screen of the partner who takes the trip, and on the right is the partner who posts it. First, the trip is posted. Go to Post Requirement and choose where you are traveling from and where you are going. Then fill in the date and time of the journey. After that, choose the vehicle type, such as sedan, and choose the trip type, one-way, round trip or multi-day tour. Now enter the fare. And most importantly, in advance payment amount, enter the amount you want to take as a secured advance. Here it is set to 1000 rupees. As soon as you tap Post, this trip becomes visible to other partners. They get an instant notification, and the trip shows a Secure This Trip button. The partner taking the trip taps that button. The Secure Razorpay payment page opens, where they enter their UPI ID. They then approve the payment in their UPI app and the payment succeeds, 1000 rupees as the advance plus the platform fee, a total of 1030 rupees. The advance is now held safely. The partner who posted the trip can see that the advance has arrived and that they need to share the client details. They enter the client's phone number and pickup location and tap Share. As soon as the details are shared, the partner who paid can see the client's number and can call directly. Now they have two options: release payment or report a problem. Now suppose the client simply cannot be reached. In that situation, tap Report a Problem. Here you get options to choose a reason: the number is fake, the client cannot be reached, the client denies any such trip, wrong location, or fraud. Choose a reason, describe the problem if you wish, and you can even attach photos as evidence. Then tap Submit. Please remember, refunds are meant for wrong trip details, not for a genuine trip that fell through. The refund request is now recorded. The partner who posted the trip gets a notification that they must respond within 24 hours, otherwise the refund happens automatically. They review the request and have two options: accept refund, which approves the refund, or deny, which sends the case to Bhade Gadi Setu for review. Here they chose accept refund. The refund is processed immediately and both partners receive a notification. The status now shows refunded. The partner who paid gets the 1000 rupee advance back. Please note, the platform fee is not refunded. This entire record stays safe in secured deals, where you can see the status of every deal, whether it was completed or refunded. This is how Bhade Gadi Setu protects both the money and the trust of both partners.